Hi folks, and welcome to MDC Masterclass. Today we're going to show you a tip sent in by one of our owners on how to get your boat rack open and closed in a one-man operation in a very easy way. You'll need either a length of rope or perhaps a dog lead with a snap hook on it, or 2 meters of that silky stuff you keep in the bedside table. So follow me and I'll show you how it's done. Now what you need to do is attach your rope or your dog clip or your 2 meters of silky rope. Attach it to the back corner of the boat rack so it makes it easy to work your way back around the camper. Undo the latches. And now you can allow your boat rack to fold back in a controlled manner and not at 100 miles an hour and clunking into place. There you go, it's up out of the way. Now to make this a one-person job, we need to remove the pin in the stay. So we remove the R-clip, push the pin out, and the stay's released to push our boat rack across the trailer. So with our other stay released, we push the one on this side in, push the boat rack over, grab our rope, and start pulling our boat rack down. How easy is this, folks? Just move around the back of the camper, pull the rack down, lock in our over-center latches, put on our last latch, and we're done, ready to roll home or onto the next campsite. Something we shouldn't forget is to return the pin to its original place, because if it stays in the pocket of your jeans, it's going to go into the washing machine and the wife's not going to be happy with the clunking noises. So how's that? Another great tip submitted by one of our customers. For more information, great tips and tricks, head across to our website and look at the Masterclass series of videos, or follow us on Facebook.